Okay, here's a tough question. You've got a pyramid, you've got a square base, and you've got a point above the midpoint, and you have to work out the angle VAM. It's important to note that VAM is a right angle triangle because AM is running along the ground and MV is a vertical line. So although it might not look like a right angle triangle, it is. So how on earth are you going to work out the angle? Well, to work out the angle, you're going to need to know some more information about the triangle. You need to work out the lengths of the sides. We know that VM is 12. That's the height here. And we can work out AM. AM is half of AC, the diagonal across the square, because M is the midpoint. So if we can work out the length AC, then we can halve that to get AM. AC is part of a right angle triangle again with ABC. So if we take out ABC, I know it doesn't look right angled again, and this is part of the confusion, but remember, it is a square base. It's just the perspective that means it doesn't look like a square. So if we've got ABC, and if that's 10 and that's 10, then AC squared must be equal to the other. AC must be equal to the square root of 10 squared plus 10 squared, which is the square root of 200, which is 141.5. Wait, I'm doing pi here. What's the square root of 200? Sorry, 14.1421. Getting my numbers confused there. I'll leave it as 6 significant figures. That's a good amount for now. So AC is that, which means that AM is going to be half of that. So half of 14.1421 dot 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 dot, which is 7.071. 711. Okay, so now we know some more information about this thing. We know that the length AM is 7.0711. We know VM is 12. And now we just need to visualize the triangle. We've got VM, which is a vertical line. We've got AM, which is a horizontal line along the ground. And then we've got AV. So let me draw those. There's the midpoint. Whoops. There's the midpoint M. There's the vertical mast V, and there's the corner A. So this is 7.0711. This is 12. And to work out AV, we just square these, add them, and square the answer. So AV, wait, sorry. We don't need to work that out. We're working out the angle. So to work out this angle, let's call it X. We've got the opposite to the angle, we've got the adjacent to the angle. So we know that tan X equals opposite over adjacent. I could have left the answer in third form, but never mind. So X equals tan to the minus 1, 12 over 7.0711. If we do that on a calculator, we get 59.5 degrees. Please don't round any less than these values. You probably should use more because it's very easy for a tiny change in these numbers to make a big change in the final answer.